Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making cheesecake, hence all of these groceries over here. Ignore this, not thumbtacks. But anyways, the rest of it is for a cheesecake because it's Half's birthday tonight and she requested a cheesecake. First step is you need some graham crackers. This is Half's personal blender by Starfrit. I really like it. I've used it before. I don't have a food processor, so this is gonna do. So all you have to do is grind up 1.5 cups worth of graham crackers. Here is my 1.5 cups of ground up graham cracker crumbs. It ended up being 11 cookies, like 11 rectangles. I've got a 1/4 cup melted butter. Add that in and give this a good mix. And this, of course, is gonna be our crust. I picked up this 2-pack of foil tins from the dollar store. You can use pretty much any 9-inch foil tin. Like you can use the springform ones or the pie-shaped ones. If you use the pie-shaped one, you just probably have to use a little bit less filling because it doesn't come up as high. But you're just gonna dump this, flatten it out, and press it up the sides. This in itself, just these 2 ingredients, already smells like dessert. Like butter and graham cracker cookies. I don't know what it is, man. It smells so good. Like I feel like this should just be a dessert. Maybe like put them into little balls or something and dip them in. Ooh, wait. Graham cracker balls. Graham cracker cake pops dipped in a cream cheese coating. Wait a minute, did I just think of something? All right, so we're gonna make some room in the freezer. Pop it in, and that's where it's gonna live until our filling is done. To our mixing bowl, we're gonna add 3 bricks of cream cheese, and then we're also gonna add a cup of sugar to that. And look at that, I have exactly a cup of sugar. So right now we're gonna add 4 eggs into this and continue whipping it. Once it's nice and smooth, you're gonna add a 1/2 cup of sour cream. This is what's gonna make it nice and fluffy. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. I also have some French vanilla flavored extract, so I'm gonna do a teaspoon of this and then a 1/2 teaspoon of this, just for some extra flavor. Last thing you're gonna do is add 2 tablespoons of flour, just so it's not too loose. I'll preheat to 375, I think. And then we're gonna take our pie crust out the freezer. So it's nice and firm now. And pour our mixture in here. My cheesecake is done. I put it in at 375 for about 45 minutes. I'm just gonna let this cool for an hour before popping it in the fridge and letting it cool completely. I did have a little bit of extra filling left, so I made a few little cheesecake cupcakes. I made some more graham cracker crust and filled these little tart cups. So I have about 9 of them in there. I put some chocolate chips in half of them, well, in a few of them. Here's how my cheesecake turned out. I just drizzled it with some caramel and I'm gonna pop it back in the fridge. And here are my little cheesecake tarts, I guess you could say. These ones have kiwi and honey. These ones are caramel and these ones are chocolate chip. And this is actually for Half's birthday, so I'm gonna stick my homemade cake topper in. That's it. So I hope you like this recipe. Hopefully you try it out and let me know what you think.